In front of me is NOKIA G42, and today I would like to show you how you can set up screen lock. You need to begin by opening Devices Settings and scrolling down right away to access Security section. Following that, tap on Screen Lock and select the best login method for you: pattern, PIN or password. I will go with pattern. Now you get to create it. Hit next at the bottom right corner and repeat it in order to confirm it. Then click confirm at the bottom right corner as well. Now you can click on one of those options to answer the question: how do you want the lock screen to display your notifications? I don't want any, so I will go with don't show notifications at all. And then click on done at the bottom right corner. Finally, when I switch off my screen, then turn it back on, icons that pattern is now required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!